Mike Alexander. I too have joined the crusade in making one video per day until you leave, just to let you know what impact you are having. We grew beards together. You were relieved when I got hired because I had a beard bigger than yours. And then you go and quit. I thought I'd start off my video with a list of things that we have never done. Well, I downloaded the Horse the Band documentary, which we never watched, all 11 hours of it. We never went to hike Georgiana Falls. We never got in a hot tub and just kind of see where it went. Let's see, we never headbanged in unison. In fact, you listened to Coldplay. What was I saying? What kind of a man are you? I mean, I have a couch in my kitchen. All this stuff you could have taken advantage of, and no, you had to go and walk out. May 20th. You will regret May 20th. Unacceptable. I can't even contain my rage. You made me do that. Know this, Mike Alexander. I will be making a video every day until you quit. And they're only going to get more and more and more disturbing. The night before you quit, and I guarantee this, I'll make a video that is worse than the rain video. It's going to kill everybody you've ever met, including me. Okay, I'm not going to do that. We'll talk about this. Until then. Until then.